Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to analyze the storage on my external hard drive. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu on the bottom left, and now just simply search for File Explorer and just simply open it up. Now here, just simply go to this PC on the left side of the File Explorer. Now, just simply select your external hard drive and just simply right click on it. And after that, you should be able to see here properties at the pop-up window. And now from here, you should be able to analyze your external hard drive. So from here, you can rename it. And now from here, guys, you should be able to see here your used space, which is as of now, I have used 199 and have a free space of 266. And from here, you could clean it up as well. And you will have multiple options over here, like the security, previous versions, quota, customize, sharing, hardware, and tools. So pretty much from here, you should be able to analyze your external hard drive. There you go. See ya.